Hello and welcome back. For those that are new to this channel, click that subscribe button. And if you like this video, click like and always share the love. Share this video to as many people as you can so that not just you will be able to take advantage of all the recipes that I show here on this channel, but also your friends and family. And if you're in the coffee or milk tea business, this is the perfect channel. You will learn a lot of recipes from here. And of course, all these recipes are in my book, All Things Milk Tea and the Basic Barista. If you'd like to see the details, check the description box below. Today is yet another exciting recipe that I'm going to share with you. If you're familiar with tsujiri, I am, because I've just been to Japan and I had their parfait. So I'm going to make my own version of homemade strawberry matcha parfait. Stick around until the end of this video clip. Well, if you're going to make this homemade, there's quite a lengthy process, but once you've made all the separate ingredients, it'll be quite easy to assemble the drink. Let's take a look at what we would need. First, because this is going to be strawberry matcha parfait, I'm going to use my homemade strawberry puree. Now, to make the strawberry puree, I would suggest that you use frozen strawberries. Take it out of the freezer, soak it for a few minutes, and then use a masher to mash the strawberries. You don't really want to make it too fine. All you want is that there is also some bits left there. And once you have reached the desired consistency of your strawberry, a little bit bitsy, then I suggest that you add 2 tablespoons of sugar, or according to your own taste preferences. Next one that we will need is a strawberry syrup. Now, you can always buy this off the shelf, or you can also make your own homemade strawberry syrup. You can check out the video link above for the process of making your own homemade strawberry puree by Chao. We are going to need matcha sauce. I'm also making my own homemade matcha sauce here. You can buy them off the shelf. There's plenty available. But if you want to make your own, what you need will be 100% pure matcha. I am using my own blend here, which is Ritual. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to mix it with my creamy milk syrup. And how do you make the creamy milk syrup? It is a combination of sweetened condensed milk and also non-dairy creamer. But this time, the non-dairy creamer is liquid. So combine the two together. Use 50% sweetened condensed milk and 50% liquid creamer. Or you can use half and half or half cream. So for this, I'm going to use 2 teaspoons, 2 teascoops, which is the matcha teascoop, into my 15 ml of creamy milk syrup. And then to make sure that they are well blended, I'm going to use a milk frother, handheld milk frother. So whip for a few minutes, and then you'll get this creamy texture of your matcha sauce. Then we are going to use whipped cream to make it layered, because I am going to make this all together about 8 layers. And then finally, the main event is the matcha ice cream. How do you make your own homemade matcha ice cream? That is for another video tutorial. So this is my homemade matcha ice cream, guaranteed to taste really rich and creamy and very much tasting of matcha. And then I'm going to top it up with none other than matcha pocky. Sounds exciting? Well, let's find out how to make this drink. What better cup than to use a parfait glass here? So let's start with the bottom layer, layer number 1. I'm going to put my homemade strawberry puree. So what I need would be just about 2 scoops. Now this is really depending on how much you're going to cost this. So you get that layer there. And then we're going to add our matcha ice cream. So I'm going to scoop my matcha ice cream. To start with 1 scoop there. And then I'm going to break this using the whipped cream. Layer number 3, I'm going to add some strawberry sauce on top of the matcha. Break this with some whipped cream. And then another scoop of matcha ice cream here on top. Next layer, we're going to add our matcha sauce on top. finish it off with whipped cream. Sprinkle of matcha powder on top. And this is my version of strawberry matcha parfait. And now for the moment of truth. Don't you wish you're here with me to give this a try? It looks delicious. I think my ice cream is somehow covered by the whipped cream. So it's going to be layers and layers of goodness. You can mix them all together, or you can start from the top with the whipped cream. With that sprinkle of matcha powder, taste of matcha. And now my ice cream with that creamy matcha sauce. Decadent. Very, very sweet. Now I'm just going to go a little bit deeper and try with the strawberry. You can watch me finish this, but I'll leave it to you to make this at home and serve your friends and family. And if you have a matcha bar, you can start serving this as well. Everything is nearly homemade, but I would suggest that you try it with some commercially available syrups and sauces, and also ice cream. If you have time, make them yourselves. That's all I would like to share with you today. I am going away and finish this parfait. In the meantime, I hope that this video clip is useful and that you'll be able to try this at home and let me know how they go for you. I'll see you again next time. Don't forget to click that subscribe button, and if you like this video, click like, comment, and share the love. I'll see you again next time. Thank you for watching. Ciao for now.